Development in the Northeast region is one of the key tasks for the central government. In a recently held 64th plenary meeting of the Northeast Council in New Delhi, the government announced a string of initiatives being undertaken for the development in the Northeast region, including a daily flight from Delhi to Nagaland. We have a report.
Governors and chief ministers of the northeastern states, along with senior officials from state governments, central ministries and other organizations, came together to discuss the progress of developmental work at the 64th plenary meeting of the Northeast Council in capital New Delhi. Minister of State Independent Charge for the Development of Northeastern Region, Dr. Jitendra Singh, chaired the event in the presence of Union Minister of State for Home Affairs, Kiren Rijiju. Reports on activities of the Council and different projects and schemes undertaken by various ministries were presented during the two-day-long event. Addressing the inaugural session, the donor minister elaborated upon the various steps being initiated by the government to facilitate all-round growth in the northeastern states across sectors.
We have started a practice which is unique of its kind, I think, in the history of independent India. We have started what you can describe as a rotational camp secretariat of the Ministry of Donor, because I realized that one important thing that we needed to do was to make the presence of the Ministry of Donor and also the presence of the Government of India or mainstream India visible in Northeast. So under this practice, we will have the officials of the Ministry of Donor stationed in one of these states by rotation every month.
The donor minister also launched a dedicated website for Northeast tourism at the event that will give out information about tourism products of the region. Stressing on the need for developing better connectivity with the region, Singh announced a daily direct flight from Delhi to Nagaland. He also revealed that the government is keen on enhancing infrastructure and giving boost to connectivity within the region as well.
We have started a direct daily air flight to Nagaland, to Dimapur, which didn't exist earlier. So Nagaland sounded like a very remote destination. So we will have a flight which will of course will be via Kolkata. You don't have to change the aircraft. It will fly from Delhi to Dimapur and then take the same route back to Delhi, and it will be on daily basis. This is going to commence from the 15th of this month.
Development in the northeastern region is high on the priority list of the central government. A number of steps are being taken to facilitate progress in different fields and bring the region at par with the other parts of the country and improve the socio-economic standard of the people.